Hi, welcome back to Crysis 3, and let's play. Boop, 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 boop. Let's go. Oh, Jesus, this game is getting really fucking weird and scary, and I don't like it, but I also love it. What was that pop up? I saw something. It popped up, and oh my god. Last time we were by windows, they all just came fucking like as soon as I walked up. How is that guy got to me? Gotcha, bitch. I am a good soldier. I enjoy this game though. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck that! Fuck that! God damn! Is that a drone? Gotcha, bitch. I'm the macaroni and cheese bitch from the bonnet. Oh, fuck! Oh, Jesus Christ, dude! Everything's fucking fucked! Fall back! They're shooting through the wall! Bullshit! Gotcha, bitch. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. This is very intense. I don't know if I like it or if I don't like it, but all I know is I like it. It's good. I also like breaking. Gotcha, bitch. Get sneaky with it. Oh, he did a nice ninja slide there. Come out, bitch. He did the cartoon thing. He went and jumped up. Said nothing. Fuck you. You hurry, Huck. Oh, Jesus. I'm afraid to go out there. I want to, but I really don't want to. Oh, there's a red dot. Two of them. Come on, guys. Stop being pussy! Go, assholes. Fuck you guys. Oh, there's Barrett. Gotcha, bitch. Alright, we got one. Huh. I saw that shard of glass just shoot right across. You guys are awful shots. I'm just letting you know. I mean, I'm a slow moving target. I'm sure you can shoot me. Just to make Sure. Looks like there's one more guy. It also looks like dick. Oh, that took skill. Oh. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? I don't like it in here. I want to get out. Ew, I'm sorry that I jumped in there. Oh, gross. What the fuck is that? That weird goopy stuff. I don't like it. But it was harming me. Alright, let's get to that stairwell. Go up here. Perfect. We're almost there. Okay. We are here. Alright.
What's going on here? Cycle, I'm through. Heads up. Cell setting up turret position.
Oh, I did not.
Side to side.
Nice.
Let's go.
Oh, I thought you were a guy. I was gonna shoot you. Hurry up.
Once we get inside, we'll all be with my people. You have people now. You know me. I've always been a team player.
Okay, fuck it. I'm a fast hitter.
Yeah, I remember.
You look like Michael from GTA.
Most of it are debt slaves. Sell owns our energy, all of it. You
Uh-huh.
can't pay your bills, you have to work it off. Of course you never do, that's the beauty of it. You get stuck in that work-away debt scheme for life. There's no other choice. Well, there is one. You fight. Here,
Good story.
let me show you what Sel have been up to while you've been sleeping. Maybe you'll understand then. Welcome to New York, version 2.0.
What?
What have they done? The city has an energy signature. Why is that? It's Cell. They're channeling energy from alien technology, running their entire global power grid of a single Seth machine inside this dome. It can't be that simple. It really is, mate. You kill the power, you kill Cell. Simple as you like.
No, the Alpha Sep showed me a vision. We've been through this before. There's got to be a connection somehow.
Prophet, the aliens are gone. You finished them off yourself, just a few waifs and strays left.
No, there's something more. If we can just find a hint. Somewhere here. A clue.
Listen, while you were off hunting some super alien that didn't even exist, Cell was busy taking over the world. We need you back in the here and now, boss. We need you to help us stop Cell.
There's more than your revolution going on here. I've seen this. Cell are toying with powers they can't begin to understand. Whatever they're doing, it's going to bring about the end of the world. We have to shut them down.
Fucking right we do. Let's get moving.
Alright. Sweet. Let's fucking do this, bro. So, shut that shit down.
Hardware is intact. Initiating terminal velocity.
Copy that, Romeo 1. You have cleared the perimeter. The Liberty Dome is designed to contain a set threat. You have the advantage. Cell units are organizing their response. We estimate you have about 30 minutes. The highlighted area is still a go. Cell ground activity is minimal here, but the towers are still 100% functional.
But
That's Claire, New York's regional commander.
what's going on with my
She's not
arm?
a soldier. Lost most of what's on her arse, but
You
she's
fucked
doing
the
one hell of a
fuck up.
job.
You have respect for command now.
Stop doing that!
This one's
You're
different.
going with your fucking gun. It's weird. Can't you be calm?
Oh shit. She made me swear not to tell a living soul.
What?
Well, I guess technically if I ain't really making it work, right?
We're punching. I'm a hard hit. This gun's cool.
Look at this. Straight from the skin labs. Experimental nanotech. Well, I hope it will be.
I want to press it! Damn! That's nice.
Here she
I'm
is.
liking this.
Not
Fuck
that
up.
you notice inside that suit, but it's hotter than in the loo in here. Lots changed. This is how it all started. People signed up with Cell for cheap energy. Cell will generate power for free, and nobody can compete with free. Before long, they had a monopoly. Bills went up. People had nothing left except their beds. And it's not a tin cans.
Where the fuck did that guy go? He just continues talking right after I fucking like this rough spray in there.
My theory. Cells using intelligent ambitions means they only blow up unauthorized. Like us. Use your suit to interface with the minds. Disable them. That should be enough. Come on.
IMS destination.
What's the matter?
What the fuck was that?
Just an energy surge.
Nice.
Go now.
I got it.
Need help? Simple.
Keep low.
You okay?
It's nothing. There. Mark it there. If they spot you, you're fucked. Back! Get back! Whatever they found, it's dead now.
How far to 34th Street Station?
Couple of clicks. We'll have to get around the kill zone first. Okay, this is how it's going to work. I'll call out the locations as I see them. Like this one that says the 1 Delta 0. These are potential cache locations. I'll find the target in this territory, Delta 3. As soon as you get the hardware, we'll knock the bastard out cold. Sector 1 Delta 3, looks good. There, Sector 1 Delta 0. Sector 1 Delta 2, got something. Close and outside of the tower. I thought that would be fucking obvious. I guess that's a no-go. Need to approach the target covertly, boss.
Oh, fuck me. Dude, it's fucking hell out here. Goddamn.
Prioritize Sector 166, strong contender.
Run, run, run. Fuck. Fuck, fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Go, 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 fuck. 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 Goddamn.
Magazine depleted. Weapon system.
You.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Magazine loaded. Weapon system.
Oh, I got one.
How are you firing that?
Oh, fuck. Fuck me. Got him.
Jesus!
You fucking kidding me? Gotcha, bitch.
That is fucking beautiful! Okay, you've got Zell's attention. Suggest we move out immediately.
Alright.
High altitude defense tower 3, Delta 3 has been disabled. Response units relocate to that sector.
What the fuck?
Let's link up.
Roger that.
What the fuck?
But that is fucking beautiful! Okay, got Cell's attention. Suggest we move out immediately.
High altitude defense tower 3, Delta 3 has been disabled. Response units relocate to that sector immediately.
Give me an update on your position. Let's link up.
Roger that.
Looks like a friend bot. Fuck me! Fuck me,
Don't
dude!
like how you did it. But that is fucking beautiful! Okay, you got Cell's attention. Suggest we move out immediately.
Where's that even coming from?
I don't like how you
Fucking
did it.
excuse me?
But that is fucking beautiful! Okay, you got Cell's attention. Suggest we move out immediately.
High altitude defense tower 3, Delta 3 has been disabled. Response units relocate to that sector.
Ah, okay.
Give me an update on your position. Let's link up.
Roger that.
Let's regain the energy. God damn! Okay. Yeah, I think that's it.
Gunslinger 2-1, action. Enemy icon shatter indicating there's still in the area. Try now.
Insurgent activity reported in perimeter.
Fuck my fucking life! Fuck my life! Fuck my life! Run! Run through, run through.
Cell weapons from your location.
Jesus. Fuck's a fucking beast, dude. You gotta find out. That's real.
Hang on, I'm almost there.
Oh no, dude! I just jumped. Where are we going?
You know, it is important. There's a lot of talk about illness and alien modifications, those visions. People aren't even sure what or who you are anymore.
What do you believe?
I'm here, aren't I? Okay, let's keep it quiet here. We can close the cell controls.
Friends and hey, guys! Yeah. Ooh, shine. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to end this video here. So I hope you enjoyed. See you later. This is me and Prophet and Psycho signing off. Until next. Bye.